Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。Alice 今天听起来心情还蛮不错的耶。
爱买东西呀，
买很多东西，对不对？对，没错，这个月呢，我们就是要教大家买东西。
对，婆婆妈妈最爱买什么，你知道吗？上菜市场，
对，
买菜咯。
怎么讲？
买菜啊。
买菜啊。Okay, 买菜啊. That means going to the market and just buying food for the family. A lot of housewives love doing that. Okay, so today we're going to teach you what to say when you go to the market and buy certain things. 我们先买个小黄瓜好了。
Okay,
let's buy some cucumbers. All right. 可能就问说小黄瓜一斤多少钱 Okay, how much for a pound of cucumbers?
西瓜瓜。
西瓜。一斤
几多钱？
几多钱？小黄瓜就是
西瓜。
西瓜怎么感觉跟小黄色没有关系呢？
因为小黄瓜外面皮不是绿色，然后好像有一点刺刺。内瓜就是
内是刺刺的意思。
对呢。
Okay.
西瓜。
Very interesting. Okay. 西瓜 that is cucumber. 然后一斤 1 pound. 一斤 Okay. That's 1 pound. 几多钱
？Yeah. 那海陆腔多少钱就几多钱。
Okay, if you use a different dialect, it's 几多钱 All right. Now, let's say I want to buy onions 好了，我们顺便买一些洋葱好了，给我2颗洋葱。
本来2粒太葱头。太葱头
这应该就是洋葱的意思。
对。大的
太葱条大
洋葱头
大葱头那样子吗？
对
哈卡是这样子讲Okay, that's really interesting because the onion actually looks like a big head. 其实看起来就像一个大头啊，
对啊，
大葱头那样子。
对
So they call it the big head onion. Please give me 2 onions, okay? 你知道吗？太太们上街买菜最喜欢老板送他们一点东西。
送葱。
你会不会做这种事？
也会啊，
也会，对不对？ It's a cultural thing right here in Taiwan. When you go to the market, you would ask for free stuff. And normally they would ask for green onions. 常常就会要这个葱所以可能跟老板，哎呀，送我2只葱好吗？
送
爱
2支葱诶
，2支葱诶。
好吗？
好啊No problem if you buy enough. So there you go. That's shopping at the market. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太家？
只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.